camera. Doing the switch. If you're doing something that's a little less strenuous. Hammer through the wall. Okay. Got some new cabinets. I put in a new split system, new fans, painted, new floors. Did the bathroom a couple months ago. New floors, new trim, new fan. Starting floors in here, doing some drywall work there, putting that split system there. Bathroom old, just cleaned and I believe we touched up, painted. But outside is a big project. We're tearing down the addition and rebuilding it so the roof will drain properly. It's a hot one today. Right up there, I'm gonna put trusses going down, metal roof, redo the windows, electric.